Hey, E, got a...
Sure thing, Kathy.
Any ideas?
Beats me. Maybe.
Did you just quote a tagline?
Maybe.
I wonder what was... Well, besides her...
I bet there's some secret about her art.
What do you think?
Well, the...
So, what?
I'm not sure. He sounded like a super nice guy.
The tape is over 2 decades old.
Either that or he is very different.
What do you think of Lily?
I actually looked her up this morning.
Yeah. I doubt there was... I only got a chance to see this one picture.
Well, maybe there's more to her art than me.
Yeah, maybe. I should get back to the investigation.
Okie dokie.
It's some advanced... No. Not a big fan of that idea. Nah. Nah, the trap is already set. Hopefully... That's kind of an arbitrary thing to do. I'm having a hard time following. Wow, the church logo looks pretty. I might have to visit them after all. Hey, E, come.
Wow. They're hypnotic.
Now that's just silly, Eileen. There has...
Hey, there's nothing silly about forest spirits. You should talk to Meadow, my...
Isn't it your Christian dude?
Oh, I doubt she could ever be more... Huh. So, anyway...
Well, my side of the room is starting... I guess you could try to find out more about these lights.
I know exact...
Good. I'm gonna get some food now.
Okie dokie. I'll grab my books and get cracked.
All right, see you in a bit. Hey.
Hey!
So, any progress with the search?
Yeah. I was able to identify that. I discovered that there was a small nature reserve near Conwell Springs, which was I made a photocopy of the botany book page and...
That's something. I should go check it out. Maybe I can...
My thoughts exactly.
Jeez, you've been...
Well, you know.
And,
Happy to help.
Oh, hang on.
Okie dokie.
Hello?
This is Erica Wade calling for Cat.
Speak.
Miss Ray, this is terribly awkward. I wanted to apologize.
Apology accepted.
Very well.
Do you know anything about...
Not really, no. But what I...
It did?
Oh, yes. The two of them, Father always hoped they would be able to reconnect one day.
So, what were
Oh, they were like peas in a way. Joseph became the uncle I never had. Later on, I even met you a few times.
I don't remember it.
Oh, no matter, you was...
Erica, I have to ask. Why?
Oh, I don't know, Kathy. I don't remember exactly when it happened. My guess is that it had to do with Father's friendship needs common ground, and we started living in What happened to your grandfather was the father just couldn't bear seeing him like that.
What do you know?
She was a young artist who killed herself, if I recall. But other than that, not much.
Do you recognize the nickname Cocky?
I can't say that I do. father had many...
What can you tell me about?
My father is a great man. He has so many ideas.
See him like what?
The illness and...
Right.
Yes, indeed. He could go to any state-of-the-art hospital, but insists...
The community clinic?
Yes. It's like he's...
What do you know about Lily Meyer's art?
Oh, that little girl had a twisted mind, let me tell you that. Oh, my father used to have a few pieces of hers. I couldn't understand why he ever just...
You say...
Oh, either that or he put them in storage somewhere. I haven't...
Do you know anything?
It's the one and only church in Conwell Springs.
Anything out of the
Oh, not really.
Okay, that's all I...
Very well, feel free.
All right. Wade is in Conwell Spring. That was Erica Wade.
Being treated?
Looks that way. Small.
Yeah, I suppose you're a return.
It'll have to be tomorrow.
I suppose.
Oh, you're so...
You're off your game.
Oh, shut up. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night.
Oh, up late?
Not just that. Well, it's not...
Oh?
I'm...
You can trust me.
Well, so, Oh no, I broke it. Well, seeing as how I don't actually...
You had...
Sure did. Major pain...
Who was...
The two of us would have made.
I respect your decision. That guy up there, he's...
I get that. I was expecting you to clutch...
I'm not a
Says the red-headed nerd.
Ha. But Kathy, if you keep...
Maybe. But...
Oh... Oh! Yay, Bing.
Well,
At least it's not...
Huh.
A tainted one approaches. Yes, it is almost... Indeed! Shall we sculpt some... Very well.
Good morning, sunshine.
Please tell me I dreamt all those Scrabble losses last night. Rub it in, why don't you?
Oh, you. Don't be a sore...
Mr. Wade is the plan. While I'm at it, I'm gonna check out the church.
Okie dokie.
Why don't you continue looking into the lights? You could also look up the history of Conwell Springs and...
I'll get right on it.
Great. Thanks, E. Oh, right. Yeah. All right, I'm off. Peace out.
Okie dokie. Good luck.
It's full of... We meet again, Mr. Homeless.
Homeless? That's the worst thing I ever heard.
So, what's up with the
Well, by the way, you owe me 10.
Nah, you agree.
You're busting my ball.
Better get those balls checked out in this clinic.
So cold.
What do they call...
Gober.
All right. I'm Kathy.
Pleasure to meet you.
So, what's your...
My story?
Yeah, don't all...
For your information, this is all.
Is that so?
I used to have.
That,
Come on, man.
Not...
Oh, come on. I have silencer the lamp. The usual surprising.
Not ring...
Kids these days, no appreciate.
So...
What about it?
Tell me...
Lawrence, for weeks, he married. In the end, based on a
I'm not...
Jacobs during sad after
Give me the...
a light. The story, the movie. I guess it's more of a dark com.
Give me the...
A light. The story, the movie. I guess it's more of a dark.
Natural...
It's a one day Eddie man
Why do you always...
typecasting.
Give me the...
A light. The story, the movie.
I'm not sure...
Jake during sadly after a
Oh, never...
not the cultured type. I understand.
I need to ask you a few...
Sounds serious.
Do you know what happened?
I'm most certain.
What?
Are you sure you want to know?
Oh, just...
Okay, here. Abducted. Oh, I saw it, man. A big, huge light. My wife had just left me, taking the dog, not to... But I'm telling you, those goddamn aliens took them, and they...
yeah.
Open your mind.
Do you know who...
Yep, my dad was the one who...
Really?
Ah, geez, not a lot. I mean, teenage... Not to mention how that...
Now that's an understatement. Nearly...
She could...
Do you recognize...
Why, I used to call myself that back in Nam. Oh, how I missed that
Why do I even... Do you know who...
Sure, he's been holed up in this clip.
You saw Charles?
Well, yeah, I just...
How did he...
Okay, I guess.
What do you know about...
Nothing but hearsay. People...
What's your opinion?
His dad, Father Bill, on the other hand, though...
What kind of...
I don't know, they were like a cult or something with Billy. Isaac turned it all around when his dad kicked the...
Interesting. Do you...
Not really, I tried to stay as far away from those people as possible.
All right. Okay, that's enough serious.
All right,
Okay,
bye.
was expecting plastic. Smoking allowed. Guess this... A calendar from night... No thanks. I have better... Uncomfortable... Rows and columns of... I can't read it from here. I can't read it from here. I can't read it from... A computer. Excuse me, nurse? Hey! Yeah. They don't pay...
No shit.
I'm here to see Charles.
Never heard of him. And if...
Bullshit. I know he's here.
No, you're not, and I said he's not.
I need to get rid of her somehow. No point. I wouldn't even... Hey, doofus.
Oh, hi.
So,
The best.
you know, that she always...
I knew it. I thought it was contempt.
Yeah, that's...
I'm gonna have to oblige.
How about...
Business and... I can't believe you guys did all this for me. You know, what's that smell? Bacon? Oh, Bobby.
I don't want to...
I'm seizing.
That wasn't really an... electrifying... Hey, doofus.
Oh,
Hey, how about another show?
Sure.
How about...
Business. I can't believe you guys did all this for me. You know,
NZ 500 self-defense stuff.
Oh, Bobby, my head hurts. I'm seizing.
Nurse! He's seizing! Oh, shit! Man, I feel like a total jackass. I'll have to... Employee of the Month, Carlita Mendez. Employee of the Month, Carlita. Crap. Looks like I have to figure out the used... Employee of the... Not now. Not now. Gotcha.
It's all right. Understood. So, you managed to find me. Well, let's get this over with then. How do you want your picture?
I'm no journalist. Well,
She's but a... Surely this must be worth an internship at one of the big papers.
you're assuming...
Guilty as charged. It's a stance I find remarkably...
You might want to rethink that attitude.
Is that so? Very...
I'm Kathy Rain.
Now I remember.
I was.
You were late.
I needed my morning smoke. Besides...
Oh, just look at her, Claude. She's absolutely...
She certainly has a...
I must say, you have me intrigued.
Do you know anything about what happened?
I wish I did, Kathy. How do you think Mary Elizabeth could afford all that expense?
Strange. Grandma...
She's just too proud. At first she
And we're...
Don't be silly. Despite all that, people from places like this, in her eyes...
So that's all you know?
Are you implying that there's more to... Mrs. Rain accepted the health care.
I see. What can you tell me?
Joseph was the best friend I ever had. I can't even begin to count the number of times he's saved.
So, when did you two lose touch?
The truth is, Brian...
My parents?
Yes. They ruined everything. I couldn't have that around my daughter. Joseph was naive. He believed that anyone could be... He was just... too good. Bless him. So our family started drifting apart. Not long after that, your grandfather ended up in that...
You bought a number of...
I'm known to dabble in art from time to time. I believe she first saw them at the high... Anyway, after the poor girl killed... When a young artist with any talent to speak of commits suicide, shortly after procuring the art, I had it valued by... Today, I'm sure I would have made my money back tenfold.
What art that...
There was a burglary at the mansion I used to own.
Well, shit.
Eloquent.
Do you recognize...
Would be strange. It belongs to a fellow named Jimmy Cochran.
Perfect. Tell me about...
In a literal sense.
Let me guess.
Either 82 or 83.
Do you remember the...
Something starting with an E.
Ingstrom?
Yes.
I do. My mother...
I see. It must have taken a lot of courage to do that.
I guess so. Do you...
Some obsessive-compulsive syndrome.
Creepy. I wonder what set... Can you tell me...
Well, somebody broke in, stole the paint. The strangest thing was that I had a Monet, but every single painting.
That can't be a...
Agreed. Somebody.
I assume there wasn't...
Yes, Sheriff Truman came by. They found a few heads.
Some stunning police...
Indeed. there was a
So, I take it
Yes. I honestly didn't care.
I think I'll have a chat with the sheriff about the matter.
Certainly. I'll call ahead.
That'd be great.
Anytime. But I'm curious.
I've learned that my grandfather went to Sue and asked to see them.
Is that so?
What can you tell?
They seem like any other church to me. Weddings, baptisms, and funerals.
Thanks, Charles. That's all I...
You're welcome.
Just some boring... Looks like Wade brought... That guy is huge. Hello, Sheriff. Mind if... Do you know who...
No.
Do you know it?
Yeah. Lenny!
Yes, boss.
Get the report from the...
On it, boss. There you go, Kath.
Thanks, buddy. Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Kath.
Well, gotta go.
See ya.
That plant isn't looking so good. And it smells weirdly like coffee.
Must be a coffee plant. They're not made for this climate, you know.
Oh.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Kathy.
Do you...
Not really, Kath.
Nah. Does the name...
Sounds
Well, gotta go.
See ya.
Hello, Sheriff. Does the name...
Never heard of them.
That's all for now.
Good.
Hello, Father.
Greetings, my child.
Yeah, but just so you...
Oh,
Good. So,
anything you need?
Kathy. Kathy Rain, but...
I did.
Do you know anything?
It was the work of the devil. You heard my speech at the funeral, Kathy.
Did you know him
In a way. He and my father did... They collaborated on a
So my grandfather was...
I wouldn't say that, no. He was... That being said, Joseph...
Really?
Oh, yes. I was a teenager back. Joseph made me realize my sinful pride, and for that...
Does the name...
It does.
Really?
We weren't close. I only...
Alright.
For one, she started skipping school. She...
Any idea of what caused...
Not a clue. All I know is...
Do you know...
I...
Do you know...
I have just a vague memory of...
Care to tell me that...
I'd be happy. This church was founded by my... Back then, he made his living as a traveler. However, this day he was angry, thinking of evil deeds. Then suddenly, the Father, the Son, this epiphany was the moment he sold all of his belongings and took. Soon thereafter, he built this church.
I take it that window up there resembles what he saw when he...
Indeed, the stained glass.
Do you know exactly when?
Why do you ask?
Oh, just...
Well, it was the spring of
Okay.
People flocked to Father Bill. The church flourished and continued to grow. That's when I
take it that the church started declining.
Yes, naturally so. But I assure you,
Looks kinda empty.
it's not.
What's up with you handing out pamphlets at funerals then?
I'm going to assume you meant no disrespect.
Do you know who...
I'm afraid not, my...
I could, but I think I'll keep it to myself for now. That's all I need for now.
May the Lord shine.
Impressive window. There's... Locked. It's an altar. I really shouldn't. Well, this is it. This is where the picture was taken. I'm not sure what I expected to find. I need to clear my head. What the? Nope, just...
Memories can deceive.
Who are you? How do you...
It is my calling to know.
I feel...
It's the mending.
You're not real. I'm lying as...
Focus, Kathy.
You mean Lily? What a...
She's the one who slipped away. While she may be free in death.
What is this, Woodstock poet?
I knew you wouldn't. You see, my name was taken from me. So you're on the right path, Kathy. Follow.
Wait, what? Am I going crazy? Oh, hi, Grandma. I just...
Sure, hon. Stay.
There are a few things...
Very well.
Do you know who Jimmy Cock...
I believe he teaches at the...
I don't think so, at least not anymore.
Really? He always...
There's more. I found out that Jimmy sounded really desperate. I'm sure...
You should go find the man then.
That's the plan. I just wondered if...
Not really. I know that he had a wife, Agatha, and a son.
Okay, thanks. I don't see a reason. Does the name...
Oh, that poor man. Now he's constantly drinking.
Sad thing.
He's homeless, dear. Lost his job a few years ago and...
Okay, now I know who you're talking. Looks like I'm gonna have to have a chat with Goober. Bye, Grandma. I'll be back later.
So long.
I need a word.
Wait,
It's written on that board.
you have the eyesight of a bald eagle or something?
What can I say? I'm a freak.
Who?
The guy who...
Oh, he ran off somewhere.
Okay, thanks. Hello again, Goop.
You again? Are you stuck? I'll try to tone down the charm.
Yeah,
I know!
listen,
Oh, that's what it was.
Yeah, it would.
So what brings you to the house of God?
I'm afraid that ship... I had a few things...
Shoot, Missy!
I don't need to ask him. I should probably confront him direct. Your real name is Franklin...
Oh, nobody calls me that.
Regardless, I know for a fact that you were a witness...
Yeah, what about it?
Why don't you tell me what you saw?
I heard the alarm go off, glass breaking, then I saw...
What did they look like?
It was dark, I don't know, they were definitely
They what?
Oh, nothing, that's it.
Bullshit. Spit...
Well, one of those guys dropped his ring when running away, I saw...
A ring?
Platinum with an inscription. 2 letters. Man, I don't remember, my photographic memory stopped working.
Which pawn shop was...
Pete's Pawning and Plumbing. It closed down a long time ago, though. Owner left town.
Too bad. Guess that's a dead end. Didn't I see 2 letters fitting that description recently? Not on a building. Okay, that's all for now.
See ya!
Hi, Goober.
Shoot!
I should probably confront him Did the inscription on the ring look anything like...
Wow, actually exactly like that.
Okay, that's all.
See ya!
There are a few things I need to...
Very well.
Do you recognize the act...
Yes, dear, it means the black hat.
Oh, his biker gang. What can you tell me?
I refuse to talk about those hoodlums. You should stay far away from them, Cat.
Bye, Grandma.
So long.
Hey, Lenny.
Hello, Cat.
What can you...
They've caused us trouble from time to time. We put a few of their captains in the slammer over the years, but we never managed to...
Do you know where I can find...
Yeah, hold on.
Got it. Thanks. Well, gotta...
See ya.
Sweet buddy.
Like hell I am. I'm...
You sure? Doesn't she look like a...
Step off.
Or what?
You better learn quickly out.
Oh, I love it.
What? Yeah, that...
What the hell's going on?
Nothing, Prez. Just having a bit of fun with...
I suggest you leash...
For fuck's sake, Prospect, not a...
Sorry, boss. I'll...
He'll be disciplined for that. I am.
Kathy Rain.
Bullshit. She lives in the city with her deranged mother. Who are you really?
No, they didn't.
Prove it then.
Well, I would, but I
That's convenient.
I need to figure out some proof. This proof enough?
I'll be damned. Sorry about the paranoia.
I get it. Can't be too...
So, that's your ride out there.
76.
You got the same taste as your old man.
Probably the only...
Did you set up those mods yourself?
Yeah, took some time to get them.
I imagine so. Girls...
I'm not most girls.
Ain't that the truth? Most girls...
I guess you'd know. Anyway,
Go ahead, then. Your old man was...
Do you know anything?
No. We had our differences, me and him, but that's a horrible... I'd rather be dead than a vegetable.
So I take it you...
No, I could write a book about that man. On one page, I'd praise him. He could be a real self-righteous prick, but everyone knew he was a... I respected Joseph, and he respected... Joseph always blamed the club for the path Brian chose in life.
Do you know...
No, I'd rather...
So I take...
No, it could be... But Joseph...
You seriously thought...
Everybody knew about it. People just... Joseph wasn't a saint. He saw everything in black and white. He was only kind to the ones who wouldn't fit in that small...
Do you know anything about...
Nothing that anyone else around you...
Do you know who...
No.
Tell me. How?
15 years now, give or take.
Good. Then you can tell me why you stole Lily...
I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but I'd
Fine.
You mean like cleaning the toilets?
Spare me your sex.
You're nothing like...
I take that as a compliment.
You do that. In any case,
What can you tell me?
Do I look like a pious...
What can you tell...
Black Hats MC was founded in the Commonwealth Springs as a mother chip. There's a total of 16 members. I'm the acting president of this chip.
The law give you any trouble?
It used to be tough when your granddad was...
And now?
Now they try, but boys...
Do you know what this...
Whoa.
What? Do you...
I saw one of those in my own...
Really? Where?
Middle of the woods. Those things came from nowhere and gave me this crazy... At the time, I thought it was just...
You have a plate in your head?
Yeah, titanium from a...
I see. Titanium?
How the hell should I know? I'm no scientist.
Do you remember where exactly on the...
No. Like I said, I dismissed it as a migraine.
Fair enough. All right, I'm gonna hit the...
Right on. I have some business.
Thanks, Bo. See you.
Hey, Brian's girl.
Yeah?
I overheard you.
Hey.
The boss man isn't usually that grumpy. but I think
I'm all ears.
Well, Bo and Brian are the double Bs. They used to have this drink together. Brian.
Sounds like my...
Yeah, it's basically a Bloody Mary, but with pig blood.
I take that.
I'm kidding. It's just a bloody...
If you say that special ingredient is blood...
No. Brian, it's probably something uncommon, like a...
So let me guess. If I can produce this drink for...
It'll make him remember Brian, which should go a long way. Yes, Brian was like a son to him. The boss would have... If you could recall the good times with your father, he might...
I guess it could be worth a try.
You're Brian's kid. That means you're family. We take...
Well, how was that drink compared with a regular blood?
Tasted a bit more like pepper and had a punch to it. Oh, if you had a lot of them, you'd hallucinate some crazy
Trippy.
You're welcome, darling.
Not sure where that I used to be a... impressive Hey, bartender. Do you have...
You mean a Bloody Mary?
No, this is...
Afraid not. I can make you regular Bloody Mary.
Maybe later. I need to figure something out.
All right, then.
Hey, Emmett.
Yeah?
Remind me again. What?
Tasted a bit like... And if you...
Alright, thanks.
Anytime.
A member of this I'd rather just... A member of... I'd rather... A member of this... I'd rather... 100%. Whew, out of... My father's in one of these photos. The black hats. I suppose the name comes... Hello? Creepy bald guy. Guess no one's home. Sorry, endangered flower, but I really... That wasn't here before. A bald man dressed... Hey, is this shovel good enough for me? Hey, bartender. No.
Afraid not.
Maybe later. I need to
All right, then.
I'd like a Bloody Mary.
Coming right up.
Oh, and add this, will you? Just something.
Whatever you say. One Bloody Mary. Enjoy.
Thanks, buddy.
The club will cover...
Sure thing, VP.
Thanks again, Emmett.
You got it.
Hey, Bo.
I recognize that smell.
Something like...
Man, is this a trip down memory lane? You know, all this nostalgia.
Yeah?
Yeah, so here's the deal. In '86, Carl, some guy'd offer him good dough for stealing a bunch of... I was busy with other things at the time, so he returned a week later with nice water. I didn't realize it was Wade he had knocked off. Wade is a powerful man with friends in city.
Got it. So what?
Not much. Carl said it was some bearded priest.
Whoa, Isaac?
Could be. I don't know who that is.
Thanks, Bo. I'm gonna follow up on this.
That's it? You're not gonna ask me about...
I couldn't give two shits.
Bullshit. Don't expect anyone to believe you're that angry.
Either he's dead or he abandoned me. Do any of those...
They don't, but you should know that I meant it when I said Brian was a good brother. He had no enemies here.
Comforting to hear, Mr. President.
Shut up and listen, girl. I'm trying to tell you. Brian used to talk about heading to Mexico, about riding off into the... And I think part of him was serious. You deserve...
Sure. Let's hope that back...
Just take...
You too. Handy little Not sure. Oh, it's... No Nathan today?
Nah, haven't seen Nate old...
That must be Lily. Looks like Nathan knows the strange red man. That day went by fast. I think I'm gonna ask if I can stay the night at Grandma's.
Hello,
Hey, Grandma, it got kind of late.
Of course, dear. Have a seat.
Oh, you're the best.
Do you see? You are bound. The separation is an oath. For our God,
Lily's painting, burning. It's gotta mean something.